Hi Bill, Juan Worley here, testing out your application. You asked for the QX Hawk to read a 160 mil data matrix code at 60 feet per minute with a 7-inch depth of field. So what I did was I set up the QX Hawk along with it. As you can see over on this side, we have the QX Hawk positioned with a large area LED array. This is the 47 by 47 red, which will give us the most light on the barcode at the various distances we have. Over on the other side, this is at about a little less than 10.5 feet away. We have a spinning drum. This is actually running at 25 inches per second, which is a little bit faster than the 12 inches a second that's required for your application. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and place the camera down in a position over by my desk where you can see I have an output cable here wired in to a couple of LEDs positioned in front of the camera. The green LED will indicate a good read and the amber LED will indicate a no read. So let me get the camera positioned. Alright Bill, so I have the camera in place now, so you can see the QX Hawk is here along with the 47 by 47. You can see the barcodes back in the background there. You can see the green indicator for good reads. The amber indicator is for no reads, and to demonstrate I'm just going to place my hand in front of the barcode and you can see it's no reading there, and we go back to good reads. You can see at the distance of about 10.5 feet we are getting good reads on the code, moving at 25 inches a second. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk over to the cart and I'm just going to pull it closer to the camera, and you can see the performance as I'm pulling that camera closer, or as I'm pulling the barcode closer to the camera, that is. Now I have the barcode is about 3 feet away from the camera because I've run into a hard stop here with the table. However, I can just kind of pull the camera closer to the barcode. And we start to lose it at about 1.5 feet. And so that should give you your 7-foot depth of field. One additional test I will run, I'm just going to run it again with the lights out because we did have a concern with ambient light. So I'm going to pause the recording and I'll go turn the overhead lights off. I turn the lights out here and I have the code positioned further away. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull the code closer again so you can see that it has that nice large depth of field. So now you can see the depth of field with the lights on and the lights off. The trick to getting this to work was using the large area LED light, 47 by 47 with the red, which gave us enough light to reach that kind of depth of field without relying on the ambient light. Thanks.